So once after completing the certifications, any number of certifications in this race certification 2025. So now I'll show you how to download the certificate in a PDF format and how to get the badge. So of course you'll receive the mail regarding your certification, but still I'll show you how to. So mail not received, I'll show you how to download certificate. You can see here. So once after, so these are the 4 categories. So let us take this one. If we completed examination, just after receiving that, after going through that, you will come to this page once after completing the certification course. Okay. So thereafter you have to click on score report in Oracle set view. Okay. So if you click this, then you will reach to this page. Okay. So in this page, you have to select login to set view. So once you click to this point, then you will reach to this page. So in this page, so you'll click on credential management and you need to click on share credentials. Once you click on share credentials, you will see that how many courses you have completed. So either professional course or foundation associate, any kind of thing. Okay. So once after finishing completing to this point, come to this point, click on this. Just you can scroll down and you can able to see here share badge, print e-certificate. Click on print e-certificate, then you'll get that certificate in a PDF format, download it and you can print it. And badge you can also get the JPG format, and you can also take the copy of that badge, and you can share your badge and certificate through this all social media platforms. So LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, okay, message, mail, okay. So Credly. So and you have to complete this part also. And click here and go to certificate and print, download and share. Okay. So please share to all your friends, those who are struggling how to download the certificate. Thank you all.